Ever felt like your investment returns were being nibbled away by hidden fees? Like you're playing a game where the rules keep changing, and you're not quite sure who's winning? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into a question that's probably crossed your mind if you've explored automated investing. How much does StashAway actually charge? We all know the allure of platforms like StashAway. It's the promise of hands-off investing, smart algorithms, and diversified portfolios. But let's be real, those services aren't free. Understanding the cost structure is crucial before you entrust your hard-earned money. Because a seemingly small percentage can make a significant dent in your long-term returns. So, let's break it down. StashAway primarily operates on a management fee model. This means they charge a percentage of your assets under management, AUM. The exact percentage you pay depends on your portfolio size. Think of it as a tiered system. The more you invest, the lower the percentage you generally pay. Now, you might be thinking, just give me the numbers. And you're right, let's get specific. Typically, StashAway's management fees range from 0.2% to 0.8% per annum. But remember, this is a sliding scale. For smaller portfolios, you're more likely to be at the higher end of that range. As your investment grows, that percentage decreases. But here's where it gets interesting. Management fees aren't the only potential costs. While StashAway prides itself on transparency, it's important to understand the underlying expense ratios of the ETFs, exchange-traded funds, that make up your portfolio. These are the funds StashAway uses to build your investment strategy. These ETF expense ratios are separate from StashAway's management fee and are charged by the ETF providers. These expense ratios are usually quite low, often in the range of 0.1% to 0.3% per annum, but they still add to the overall cost of your investment. Think of it as the cost of running the underlying funds. So, in essence, you're paying StashAway for their management and strategy, and you're also paying the ETF providers for the costs associated with running those funds. Another key point to consider is that StashAway doesn't charge for deposits, withdrawals, or account opening. This is a significant advantage compared to some traditional investment platforms that often have transaction fees. This makes it easier to manage your investments without worrying about extra costs every time you move money. Furthermore, StashAway utilizes fractional shares. This means you can invest smaller amounts of money and still build a diversified portfolio. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for those just starting their investment journey. Ultimately, the best way to understand the exact fees you'll be charged is to visit StashAway's website and use their fee calculator or contact their customer support. They provide detailed information and can help you understand the specific costs associated with your investment strategy. It's also crucial to remember that investment returns are never guaranteed. Fees are just one factor to consider when choosing an investment platform. Your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon are equally important. So, do your research, compare different platforms, and choose the one that aligns with your financial needs. Understanding the fees is a vital step in making informed investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.